Hellcat.
Hi there, YouTubers. I'm coming to you guys with a Little Caesars mukbang. It's pepperoni pizza. I have Sadie right here. I accidentally took her out of school a little bit too early, and she was just making it into the cafeteria, so they gotta have lunch. So we having lunch together. Just got us a $5 pizza. Look at that. Alright. Let's get started. Here we go.
Thank you.
And here's my pizza. That's the phone just not my mouth. Ah. Mm. Oh, there you go. So I think I recorded 3 videos that I haven't posted yet. Well, it's my 3rd one right here. And I'm gonna post because I posted yesterday and I just was ready now. Post another one. Ow! I'm ripping from my food. I just don't wanna I wanna make sure I just got videos to post though. I think I might post, make another video tonight because tonight we're supposed to have the chorizo tacos. I gotta mix it up when I get to the house so it can get, sit and get marinated real good together.
Huh?
The chorizo sauce and the chorizo and the pork.
Stir?
No, you gotta mix it up together in a bowl. Come on, put it at home. I'll be dripping this in cheese sauce. I wonder if Little Caesars has cheese sauce. I'm not a crust person. It's the only one they had ready. The other one, it was like extra moist one. They said that it wouldn't be ready until 10 minutes, and I ain't got 10 minutes. So I'm gonna open this door. Get some more air in here. So, I'm just hungry, so I ain't talking too much. I'm gonna say about Winter's appointment. Her appointment was good. She's doing good. She's up to 11 pounds now. 11 pounds, 9 ounces. Oh, doing well. Is that your counselor?
Yes, ma'am.
No, that was not.
That looks like her.
I'm looking from far off, but close up, that's not her. She's smaller. She's pretty small. See, if, I mean, well, you might gotta take that jacket off before she eats some pizza. You unbutton her. And take that jacket off for me, please. Ow! I'm actually biting my jaw. I don't know why. I'm biting the crap out of my jaw.
Money, but you're gonna have to take off your jacket.
Ew.
I think I'm gonna put you on my side.
Take off her jacket because she already trying to reach for it. The pizza.
Come on, let's take off your jacket.
Say it right. I don't want her saying it like that. Jackie. It's jacket.
Jacket. Say, you might say jacket.
You just say it right. You ain't got to tell her to say it. She ain't gonna say it unless she wants to. Here you go, Imani. Here your pizza, baby. Here you go. No! Get off the baby. Sit down with your pizza. Grab her. Put the pizza down and grab her because she's not gonna stop until she get over. Or in front. Or whatever, which one. Imani.
She said no.
No. She'll want to eat later. I'm on my third piece of pizza. I'm so saucy, man.
How do you do that?
What?
She put the downward hand. Hard.
You put pressure on it.
It's
Now, that's your counselor. She coming back. I think she's coming back from lunch, so actually. I'm gonna go in there. See? That's her.
I knew it.
No, that's a different woman. That woman had one ball in her head. She got two. I mean bun. You got sauce on your nose. How'd that happen? Imani. That juice still in that bag back there. What time is it? So before I go in. I don't know. I don't know. I'm finna finish this to you guys, and we're finna go to her appointment because we're already late. Not real late, but just a little late. I swear. She on the same number of a piece of mom on. She on 3. I'm on 3. And there's 1 left.
I would eat 3 slices.
When
2.
You know what?
No, dos.
Guys. Anyway. Let me want it. I'll go to Larry's Pizza. Eat some macaroni pizza.
And then there's like tomato pizza.
I might want tomato pizza.
Tomato pizza's good.
I don't know. Tomato pizza is just another way of saying cheese pizza. They'll just slices of tomatoes. I don't know. That's what this to me. Just like blend it up.
No, there's like a real tomato in it.
I know it do. Alright, you guys. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Get in here. Because it's getting late. And bye.